Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a yearly reading for Cancer for the year 2026. This is the general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay, in this reading, we will see the overall energy for you, Cancer, the key challenges, obstacles, guidance, and the probable outcome for your health, career, finances, love, relationship area. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for Cancer. Overall energy for Cancer. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the oracle text. So please do stay oracle deck. Sorry. So please do stay till the end. Okay. So let's see what do we have for Cancer. Overall energy for Cancer for 2026. Please tell me the overall energy for Cancer. Oh, wow. Okay. All right. Let's see what's the obstacles and challenges we have for Cancer for 2026. Obstacles and challenges for Cancer for 2026. Okay. Okay. Please clarify Queen of Cups as the obstacles for Cancer. Please clarify Queen of Cups as the obstacle for Cancer. Obstacles for Cancer. Queen of Cups as the obstacle for Cancer. Okay. You want me to take all the three? Okay. All right. Let's see what the guidance we have. What's the guidance we have for Cancer for 2026? Guidance for Cancer for 2026. What's the guidance we have for Cancer for 2026? What is the guidance we have for Cancer for 2026? What is the guidance we have for Cancer? All the three cards turned at the same time. Okay. Please tell me the probable outcome for Cancer for 2026. Probable outcome for Cancer for 2026. Probable outcome for Cancer for 2026. Please tell me probable outcome for Cancer. Oh my dear cards, please tell me. Whoa, okay. Please clarify Ace of Cups. Wow. Good. Please clarify Ace of Cups. Probable outcome for Cancer. Please clarify Ace of Cups as the probable outcome for Cancer. Please clarify. Wow. Oh. Quickly बोला तो देखो. All the cards turned off. Turned down. Sorry. Please clarify Ace of Cups. I don't know what is wrong with me. I'm just talking a lot. See? Oh, I don't know. I was feeling the death card will come and see it came. Wow. Okay, Cancer. So the bottom of the deck we have the Star card. Bottom of the deck energy is basically the energy you are dealing with lately, or you're subconsciously, thinking of it, knowingly or unknowingly. Things are just coming. So it's like, you are balancing a lot. You are trying to create balance between too many things, and you are waiting for some kind of promotion, some kind of growth, some kind of recognition in your workplace. You are also waiting for some kind of good news. Now, for some of you, it can be a marriage proposal you are waiting for. For some of you, you are waiting for the good news of welcoming a new baby boy or baby girl or basically a baby in your life. Also, I'm getting you're waiting for that energy. Also I am getting that you are trying to create a balance in your work life, in your personal life, in your emotional life, in your in your health, wealth, and career, family, everything. You're trying to create balance in the best possible way. Okay, but you are somewhere now feeling tired. Okay, you are still not giving up, which is a very good thing, but you are waiting for the result, you are waiting for the outcome, you are waiting for the uh, that news to come. Okay, that is also I am getting here for you, Cancer. Now the overall energy for you, Cancer, I see is you are thinking a lot. Okay, even if you have everything, you are somewhere overthinking. You are your illusions are making you think a lot. Okay, सिचुएशन इतनी इतनी बुरी है नहीं जितना आपका माइंड आपको बता रहा है. ओके, आप यू आर नॉट, यू आर थिंकिंग वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो एंड यू आर वरिंग अबाउट इट. ओके, जो सिचुएशन है नहीं उस सिचुएशन को आपका माइंड क्रिएट कर रहा है और आपको परेशान कर रहा है बेसिकली. अगर बोले तो देयर इज लॉट ऑफ थिंकिंग हैपनिंग, देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ अगर ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा, अगर ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा, ऐसा करा और ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा, ऐसा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा. So much is going on, and it's all your mind playing tricks with you. Okay, so you just need to change your perspective. Whenever this happens, you need to see, I'm just thinking the worst case scenario. It's not that I need to focus on. I need to focus on present, and you need to change your energy. You need to come back to the present and focus on that. Okay, that is what you will have to do during the year, so that you can protect your peace. You can avoid that unnecessary stress, and you can have the peaceful sleep. Okay, instead of sleepless nights, peaceful sleep. Yeah, right. Okay, I also see that for you, Cancer, during the year there is a lot of movement happening. Okay, maybe आप किसी एक सडन से कोई ट्रैवल प्लान हो जाएगा, सडन से maybe somebody is coming to your home, all of a sudden surprise visit हो जाएगा. For some of you it can be unexpected business travel. Okay, maybe a long term travel of 8 days to 10 days also I am getting for you. I don't know, I'm getting it strongly, but that is what may happen for you, Cancer, during the year. Also, I see that something is moving. You may be relocating to a new place, you may be shifting, or completely to a different country altogether for some of you. And it can also be a job change. Okay, it can be if you are single, it can be a sudden marriage thing come up, and you will take that, and something is moving basically. Okay, for you, I see, Cancer, and it is not something which is disturbing. It is something which is happening ऐसे unexpected, jaldi jaldi हो रहा है, फटाफट चट मंगनी पटविया types. So that is also I am getting for you, Cancer. Okay, so something is moving. There is a travel, there is travel involved, there is a movement involved. There is maybe आपका job change हो जाएगा, maybe आपका आपका designation change हो जाएगा, maybe आपकी place change हो जाएगी. As I said, when it comes to your health, आपको सिर्फ उस चीज पे ध्यान देना है कि आपको stress नहीं लेना है. जैसे मैंने बोला ना, आपका माइंड विल प्ले ट्रिक्स, इट विल क्रिएट डिफरेंट इल्यूजन्स, एंड इट विल कॉज वरी, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट यू विल हैव हेडेक्स, यू विल हैव एंजाइटी. सो आपको उस चीज से अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना है. ओके, स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, ओवर थिंकिंग, उस सबसे आपको अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करना है. बेसिकली प्रोटेक्टिंग योर पीस. ओके, नाउ coming to the obstacles for you, Cancer, I see that इमोशनली ना, आप इमोशनली अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करने में थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग फील करोगे. ओके, यू विल फील कि जब भी इमोशनली किसी को जरूरत होती है, आई एम अवेलेबल, बट व्हेन आई नीड समवन टू बी इमोशनली अवेलेबल फॉर मी, आई फाइंड माई सेल्फ अलोन. ओके, उस तरह की एनर्जी मुझे दिख रही है फॉर यू. सो यू हैव टू टेक you have to ground yourself. Okay, you have to work on your emotions, try to communicate, try to speak. Okay, try to share what you are going through. Okay, that will help you to overcome that challenge of feeling alone, that lack, that loneliness. आपको उससे overcome करना है during the year. Okay, there is some kind of realization happening. Okay, something it's a new beginning card. Dekho, they are coming out of coffin, right? Something is ending and it's a new birth. It's a realization. Maybe for some of you it can be a sudden realization of something ki I do take care of everyone, but nobody takes care of me. Then why don't I take care of myself? It's a very small thing, but it's a very small realization, but it has a very huge impact on a person's life, right? So that kind of thing is happening now. It can be in your workplace. Maybe आपको लग रहा होगा कि I am just being how do you say, I am putting 200% of mine, but my company or my organization does not think of me for my growth, for my long term stability. Then why do I need to spend, why do I need to do overtime? If in case you are doing overtime and you are not getting anything in return, which is in excess of something you are deserving of, so you will think, why do I need to do overtime? I'll just come on the right time and leave on the right time. Why do I need to stay back? Okay, so some kind of realization is happening. These were just examples to make you understand or try to help you understand. So some kind of realization is happening, जिससे आपका perspective का change होना जरूरी है. Okay, so that you can ultimately bring that change in your emotional well-being, your own happiness in your own life for your own good. Okay, I also see that for some of you, you need to take care of your health. अगर आप अगर आप थोड़ा सा unhealthy चीज खा रहे हो, so there are chances that you may have to take care of your weight. Okay, for some of you I am getting, so it can be take care of your not to gain too much, so that आपका physical health impact नहीं होगा. So try to take care of your health basically. Okay, अगर आप अगर आप कैसे बोलते हैं, अनहेल्दी हैबिट, अनहेल्दी डाइट अगर आपका है, तो आप उस चीज़ को थोड़ा सा बैलेंस करिए. अदरवाइज अदर देन दैट आई डोंट सी एनी अदर चैलेंज इन योर हेल्थ. एज आई सेड, ओवरऑल एनर्जी इज डिफरेंट, कि वो पूरे ईयर रह सकता है ड्यूरिंग द ईयर, कि आप सोच के परेशान हो रहे हो चीज़ें जो एक्चुअली है नहीं. सो वो आपको स्ट्रेस एंग्जाइटी देगा, उससे आपको बचना है. अदर देन दैट, अगर आपका अनहेल्दी डाइट है तो आप उस पर भी थोड़ा सा ध्यान दीजिए. ओके, सो द चैलेंज विल बी टू ओपन अप योर open up emotionally or express your emotions. Okay, तो उस चीज पे आप ध्यान दीजिए. when it comes to your finances, everything looks fine, things will be fine. I don't see any anything much to worry about. Things will be smooth. Okay, all you have to do is maybe अगर आप एक पर्टिकुलर तरह से आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे थे अपना अपने मनी को, और यू वर नॉट गेटिंग द एक्सपेक्टेड रिवॉर्ड, तो आपको कुछ नए तरीके, नए रिसोर्सेज से हो सकता है पता चल जाए कि ओ दिस इज व्हाट द मिस्टेक आई वाज डूइंग एंड नाउ आई कैन इन्वेस्ट माय मनी इन दिस वे सो दैट आई कैन गेट a much higher return. Okay, so उस तरह की चीजों की, that अगर आप खुद से हैंडल करते हो अपने फाइनेंसेस, तो मे बी यू विल थिंक ऑफ why don't I hire a professional investor or a certified person who can guide me on how I can make the best use of my finances or money. It's not funny. So how can you make the best use of your money? Okay, how can you best utilize your resources, your finances? Okay, so that is what I am getting here for you, Cancer. Now the guidance here for you is, you have to come out of your comfort zone, as I said. Okay, अगर आप इमोशनली एक्सप्रेस करना आपको नहीं आता, आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं फील करते हो, तो यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन इट. ओके, थोड़ा सा आपको अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आना पड़ेगा, आपको अपने लिए स्टैंड लेना पड़ेगा, आपको एक्सप्रेस करना पड़ेगा जो आपको बॉदर कर रहा है उस चीज को. सो यू नीड टू कम आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन, एंड ऑल्सो यू नीड टू गिव दैट लव, दैट केयर, दैट अटेंशन टू योर सेल्फ, जो आप अभी तक दूसरों को देते आ रहे थे. ओके, सो इट्स लाइक, अगर आपको ऐसे लगता है कि nobody is available for me when I need them, then you need to create a boundary. Okay, so that I will protect my peace, I will protect myself, and I will protect my mental, emotional, physical well-being. Okay, so this, for example, अगर 24 घंटे में आप अपने आप को 2 घंटे दे सकते हो, 1 घंटे दे सकते हो, तो that is your time. You are not going to entertain any other drama, any other thing, any other person in that particular time which you have taken for yourself. So some kind of thing you have to do for yourself, for your own betterment. Okay, that is what I'm getting. It's taking time off for yourself, doing things what makes you happy, and coming out of your comfort zone. sometimes अपने लिए एक छोटा सा स्टैंड लेना भी बहुत कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर आने के जैसा होता है, राइट? सो जस्ट ट्राई टू डू दैट. ओके, आपको हर चीज का जिम्मेदारी आपकी नहीं है, आपको उस चीज पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. एक हर चीज में बोलते हैं ना कि आप 10 चीजों को एक साथ करोगे तो आप थक जाओगे, एंड नोबडी इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ यू, राइट? सो प्रायोरिटाइज थिंग्स, ओके। जो चीज़ प्रायोरिटी पे ध्यान देने की है आप उस चीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए, उसके बाद दूसरी चीज़ पे ध्यान दीजिए, ओके। सो जस्ट ट्राई टू क्रिएट बैलेंस, डोंट, बिकॉज अगर आप सब चीज़ को एक साथ लेके चलोगे ना, यू विल बी ड्रेन्ड by end of the day, okay। So just try to prioritize things which will help you to ultimately, you know, keep yourself, what do you say, आपको ड्रेन नहीं फील कराएगा, ओके। बेसिकली अगर आप प्रायोरिटाइज करके, अगर कुछ चीजें हैं जो कल के लिए आप रख सकते हो, आज जिस चीज पे ध्यान देने की जरूरत है उस चीज पे ध्यान दो, तो इट विल हेल्प यू ओनली, राइट। सो दैट यू कैन हैव योर ओन टाइम ऑल्सो, राइट। सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द एनर्जी आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू, कैंसर। So whatever the challenges are, you will overcome those challenges. There is nothing that you can't overcome. All you have to do is come out of your comfort zone, prioritize things, take one thing at a time, and do things on the priority basis, okay। don't take दूसरों का काम भी अपने सर पे मत लीजिए। बेसिकली अगर सिंपल उसमें बोलूँ ना, तो दूसरों के काम को आप अपने ऊपर मत लीजिए कि तुम मत करो मैं कर देता, अरे हो गया ना मेरे पास, मेरा है, तुम अपना कर लो, राइट। इतना सिंपल होता है कभी कभी, बट ये बोलना भी बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, राइट। समटाइम्स यू आर नॉट यूज्ड अप ऑफ saying so openly and communicating so openly, so that is also a big thing। So that is what is coming out of your comfort zone. Again, this was an example, so just see how it fits in your situation, okay। Now the outcome here is you will be able to overcome emotionally, okay। जो भी है, सी यहाँ पर आप क्वीन ऑफ कप्स है, इट्स लाइक यू आर फीलिंग ब्लैक, एंड नाउ हियर इट्स एस ऑफ कप्स इज द आउटकम। you will feel good about you, about your emotions by end of the situation or by end of the year, however this resonates in your case। So you will feel good, okay। Good news is coming in your way, as I said, you are waiting for some kind of good news right here in this card। So I see that a good news is coming your way. It will make you feel good, emotionally fulfilled, happy, stable, and connected with your own self and with the people around, or the connections around। Also I see that you are आप बहुत पेशेंस और बहुत धैर्य और समझदारी, मेच्योरिटी के साथ आप चीज़ों को डील करोगे, ओके। एंड दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड बी, यू नीड टू फोकस ऑन, यू शुड डू दैट। बेसिकली आप बहुत पेशेंस और मेच्योरिटी के साथ चीज़ों को डील करो, बिकॉज समटाइम्स समथिंग नीड्स टू एंड सो दैट समथिंग न्यू कैन स्टार्ट। एंड किसी भी चीज़ का एंड को डील करना इज नॉट ईजी, राइट। बिकॉज एंड इज राइट, एंड होता है जब हम किसी चीज़ का यूज टू हो जाते हैं, किसी चीज़ में बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं, और फिर वो चीज़ अगर एंड हो जाती है तो हमको बहुत डिसकम्फर्ट लगता है, राइट। इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गेट यूज्ड अप ऑफ टू न्यू थिंग्स, राइट। इट कैन बी अ न्यू वर्क प्लेस, इट कैन बी अ न्यू रूटीन, डेली रूटीन, आप कुछ चेंज करो अपने डेली रूटीन में, एनीथिंग बेसिकली, राइट। योर ईटिंग हैबिट्स, आपका वर्कआउट स्केड्यूल, एनीथिंग। सो कमिंग आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट जोन इज एंडिंग समथिंग, राइट। सो एंडिंग इज नॉट सो ईजी टू डील विद। तो आपको उसमें बहुत पेशेंस और बहुत मेच्योरिटी के साथ, बहुत समझदारी के साथ आगे बढ़ना होता है, राइट। सो दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, एंड you will feel emotionally balanced, emotionally happy, and emotionally connected, okay। So that is the energy I have for you, Cancer। Now let's see what is the guiding message we have for you for 2026. What is the guiding message we have for Cancer for 2026? One guiding message for Cancer, please। Just try to keep your illusions away। अगर कुछ unnecessary आपको लग रहा है कि you are just creating scenarios in your mind, so just stop it then and there, and come back to the present, okay। So that will help you to, that will protect you from overthinking and anxiety, ultimately the headache and the unnecessary stress, okay। So we have the traveler card. Move in a new direction. See, this is again a confirmation, something is moving, okay। Something is moving. Now here this card does not necessarily say moving to a new direction means moving outside, okay। Sometimes it means moving inward, right। So it's like you need to connect with yourself, okay, to understand what is that change you need to bring in your life, so that you can move in a with grace, okay, move on in your life for yourself, for your own growth with grace, okay। That is also this card says। So something needs to move, something, maybe आपका perspective change होने की जरूरत है, actual movement happening, as I said, relocation, movement, change in job or something like that is happening, or it can be a realization। Again, this card also confirms the realization, the judgment card, right। Something needs to move, मे बी इनवर्ड, आपको कोई चीज़ रियलाइज करने की ज़रूरत है, सो दैट यू कैन ब्रिंग दैट चेंज इन योर लाइफ एंड अल्टीमेटली bring that good or positive change in your life, so that you can move ahead in your life with grace. Okay, so something needs to move, your perspective needs to change, something is changing here, something is moving here during the year, which will help you to grow emotionally by the end. Okay, so that's the energy I have for you, Cancer. If you have liked it, please do claim the positive energy from this reading. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.